Here comes your pre-market summary for Friday, February 24th. We're back in negative territory here as far as the futures are concerned ahead of the final reading of PCE, key inflation data, coming up at 8:30 this morning. Remember, this is the preferred reading for the Fed and one that Fed Chair Powell continues to refer to. Here's how the markets are setting up ahead of that. S&P down 0.73 right now, about 0.5% for the Dow, the Nasdaq, better part of full percent already in negative territory. Futures here in Toronto pointing to a negative start as well, down about 0.5%. Crude trying to bounce once again, up 1% and basically flat to start things off for crypto land, both BTC and Ethereum. That's the way the overall market is looking once again this morning. Same story for the Qs. We're back towards some significant levels that should come into play as far as support is concerned. All eyes on block this morning. Better than expected reports. Forecast was the main bright spot for Square. We'll call it block or Square, whatever you like. SQ on watch this morning. We'll talk about that coming up at 8:30. Beyond Meat, nice look as well. The highly shorted, I just double checked again, it's around 35 or 40%, depending on your source for Beyond Meat. But the highly shorted name back to the upside this morning on upbeat forecast as well for them. Carvana, on the other hand, not so much downside. Q4 net loss wider than expected for CVNA. Microsoft catching a Goldman Sachs upgrade. There it is. Or no, it was Wedbush. My fault. Wedbush with a positive note on Microsoft this morning, pointing directly to their cloud business. So we'll see how Microsoft responds to that. Negative note from Boeing, downside this morning. Dreamliner delivery halt. Once again, they found a problem with it. So Boeing downside on that note. It's NVIDIA that caught the Goldman Sachs upgrade to buy, pointing directly to more positivity to come from AI land for NVIDIA. The DOJ, meanwhile, looking to block now. They're not even going to allow Adobe to buy Figma, it looks like. So Adobe under pressure here, down about 3% on that news. And a little one moving around. The CING up on a big ADHD, positive trial data for them. Grab the watch list, guys. QR code bottom of the screen right now. Again, PCE coming up at 8:30 this morning. We'll see you then on TraderTV.Live.